Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the grape in Heartopia. So grape is one of the most useful crops in the game because a lot of a recipe required it. So it's definitely something you want to start farming as early as possible. And to get grape, you need to grow it yourself in your garden like this. You can see it. I already grow it. And then first you need grape seed. You can buy this from NPC Plank, but there's a requirement. Your gardening hobby level must reach level 7. So make sure you're grinding your gardening XP until it hits level 7 first. And once you have unlocked it, just go to the plank and then buy the grape seed from him and plant them in your garden like any other crops like this. Just plant them at your planter like this, and after that just watering them like this, and just like that your grape will be ready to harvest in 10 hours. And if you want to speed things up, you can use a plant booster, this one, growth booster. But however, just keep in mind that its booster only reaches the waiting time by 15 minutes, so it's not a huge shortcut unless you have a lot of them. And after 10 hours, you can just harvest your grape like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.